Here is the Prompt Doctor workshop where I'm able to come in and I can share a AI prompt that I want to refine. You're able to paste in the current version. So for example, maybe it's like summarize this article for graders. Then I can upload any files as well. It's going to take me through a couple different steps to make sure that this prompt is ready to go and really well designed and created so that I'm able to really ensure that it has everything that I might need in order to have a successful prompt. So again, it can be really, really helpful as I'm going through each of these steps to make sure that I have a prompt that I'm going to get better outcomes and results for when I use that prompt within that space. After I kind of share a lot of different questions and things to think about, we're able to see then if that, prompt is well drafted and how I could make it even better. So again, I can go through, see what I need to change in order to make it an even better prompt to support my students as I'm building out resources and designs.